Welcome to Whispers. Um, this is a welcome development. I am happy. More power to the women. Yes, so the women, they're on board. They are like, oh my God, I don't even know what to say about them. Yes, Yoruba nation, we move. So hundreds of Yoruba women from the diaspora storm Ooni of Ife's palace, insist on Yoruba nation. Way to go, way to go. No fewer than 1,000 Yoruba women from Argentina, Mexico, United Kingdom, Papua Guinea, Venezuela, Spain, France, and other countries visited the Ooni of Ife, Oba Adeyeye Ogunwusi, in his palace to canvass for the creation of Yoruba nation. You know that. Clad in traditional rural attire, including body wrappers and beads, the women under the angels of Obìnrin Oòduà Àgbáyé stormed the palace of the Ooni of Ife, led by their worldwide leader Yeye Simisade Kuku Onoyemi and their Secretary General Owuye Babalola Okocha. The women said the gods in Yoruba land had mandated them to commence spiritual measures that would lead to the prompt actualization of Yoruba nation without bloodshed, hence their visits to their fatherland. Omowumi, a resident of the United States, who was flocked by older Yoruba women from 37 countries, said the gods mandated them to conduct some spiritual measures in the palaces of Ooni of Ife, Alaafin of Oyo, Oshimawe of Ondo, Ewi of Ado-Ekiti, Obaro of Kebbi, Anyobure of Ikorodu, Olofa of Ofa, and Awujale of Ijebu-land. The women added that the outcome of the spiritual measures, which they said could not be discussed in public, shall unravel many things that would help achieve peaceful and prompt actualization of Yoruba nation. All of us that you've seen here today are top-notch professionals. We have medical doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, engineers, development experts, journalists, academic dons, top bankers, and entrepreneurs among us. The majority of us are working at blue-chip public and private organizations. Kuku Onoyemi was quoted by the group Yoruba Nation on its Twitter page to have said. She stated that the women are contented with what they have, but are not happy with the situation of things in their country. Hence, they are coming out to salvage their land traditionally. Corroborating their leader, Babalola Okocha, was quoted. Upon consultations, we were mandated by the gods to visit the palaces of Ooni of Ife, Alaafin of Oyo, Oshimawe of Ondo, Ewi of Ado-Ekiti, Anyobure of Ikorodu, Olofa of Ofa, Obaro of Kebbi, and Awujale of Ijebu-land to carry out some spiritual measures that we cannot mention details in public, hence our visit to the Oduduwa source. When we are done with our consultations and prayers, the people of Yoruba nation shall be surprised at the rate by which the Yoruba nation shall come into reality without any bloodshed. It shall be amazing, and the world shall be shocked, Omowumi was said to have added. In his remark, the Yoruba leader and Alano of Ilana Omo-Oòduà, Professor Banji Akintoye, who led the women to Ooni's palace, reportedly described the action of the women as a powerful declaration signifying the departure of Yoruba land from Nigeria. the 86-year-old member of the Second Republic Senate reportedly said, "Our women who give birth to us have spoken. They have declared and heaven has heard. What they have started is a powerful declaration showing the departure of Yoruba nation from Nigeria. It will be amazing and shocking by the time the declaration is made. Yoruba nation shall be birthed with the support of our women. Our Freedom Day is nearer." The Ooni, in his response to the development, reportedly highlighted the importance of women in the push for freedom, stating that the new twist to the agitation for self-determination is that women are now involved. Yes, so, according to Yoruba Nation, Ooni said, "Whatever you're doing that women are not involved in it cannot materialize. We are going nowhere if our women are not carried along and get involved. If you're married and your wife is not happy with you, it is not going to work well with you unless the woman is not fighting you with sincerity. Women are not timid. They are warriors. From the Holy Bible, we read how Deborah fought for our people and conquered. Holy Bible. Cha namo our own local women ni. Alamo Moremi ni. Holy Bible long. Nǹkan tá ń sọ náà nìyẹn. Ẹ máa lẹ́yìn from the source. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe ẹ ti gbé dasán ẹ ti sáré gbé títí Abraham sí. Nonsense. Moremi fought and delivered the people of ancient Ife from Igbomekun, who were our deadly adversaries. And how to correct her? Dear, no. Therefore, women are key to our struggle for self-determination, and we must carry them along going forward. Yes, because all this trouble that we have is caused by the men. It's caused by the men. Even the head SARS, I've forgotten their name. What is their name? Was coordinated by young women, talented, and look at the way everything went for the number of days that it was run without being hijacked. Everything was on course. Is it accommodation, feeding? I mean everything on point. Àwọn ọkùnrin ṣe yọ̀bọ̀ kí òṣì tán ṣe rádaràda. We will support our women, and we are happy they are taking up the battle and picking up the grantors. Again, I want to say very expressly that if we fail to have the support of our women folks, we are going nowhere. Therefore, I welcome you to the source, and I wish you well in your visit to other palaces in the Yoruba nation. Kò sí kíní kankan, kò sọ́mọ ọ̀hún tí yẹ ẹ̀ bá pè nígbà tí ìṣọ́ máa lè, ó máa ánsà. Wọ́n ti wá fara hàn yín, ẹjọ́ máa yanjú ẹ. Ojú báyìí lọ, obìnrin ló bí ẹ, ìyàwó ẹ obìnrin, ọmọ ẹ obìnrin, ó wá ní kíní kan. Ó tí ì mọ kankan. Yes, sir. A new dawn from our women. Impressive revolution. Yes, sir. Mama Femi, Fela. Ṣé bí wọ́n rọrùn lọ ni? Àti bọ́ba kan tó lọ sí kàsà fún ẹ máa bá bọ̀. Wọ́n sì rọrùn wá lélẹ̀. Ló bá wù yín kẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ti gbọ́ wá sí kàsà fún yín. Ló bá tán. Can you imagine? May the expiry date come speedily. May Olódùmarè hasten it. Àṣẹ Ìdùmarè. Yes, sir. It has expired already since the day I agreed on Oduwa nation, because I don't just agree on something, but With this, my agreement with Yoruba nation, it is as done. Yoruba hold Nigeria together before, but now that Yorubas are ready, speaking against the Nigerian marriage, it is gone. Yes, sir. God bless you all. Total respect. I believe our generation will set us free. About time this world has at least one or two great black nations. The days of neocolonialism, puppet, heartless Nigerian government yoking us to poverty, death, and hardship will soon be over. May God bless the new nations we will form, give us prosperity, peace, progress, and cooperation amongst ourselves and with our neighbors. And new dynamics to the tune. Yes, so this is good news. Yes, so. I salute their gods and courage. However, Hausa Fulani would not let Yoruba or anyone go away from Nigeria without a fight. More like another Aba women riot part two. So yeah, this is a welcome development. So the women are taking the lead now, so hopefully the men will follow suit. Hopefully the men will follow suit because they cause all these troubles. They cause all these troubles. So well done. Well done. That's good. Well done. Well done to all. Well done. So there you have it, guys. 1,000. And they came from diaspora, so that should add weight to it. And they insist in Yoruba nation. A Yoruba nation it is. All the way. We move. Until I come your way again. Bye.